My name is Darren Udumade. I'm founder and CEO at Chekkit Technologies, and at Chekkit, we're constantly innovating on how consumers can be protected from counterfeit products. Now, this is because in the FMCG space and pharmaceutical space in Africa, over 40% of market share is lost to counterfeiters. This is the tune of over $300 billion yearly. Also, a million lives is lost in terms of counterfeit products. This is also in the next 5 years will be about 5 million lives and also about $1.5 trillion lost. How about you reduce this by 70% over the next 5 years? Interestingly, there's also a gap between the consumers and the end and the producers. Now, this is why we invented Chekkit. Chekkit is an anti-counterfeiting solution locked on a blockchain network that connects both consumers and producers and enabling consumers to verify products just with their mobile phones. How we do this is we create unique IDs for products. These unique IDs are in form of QR or PIN and can be verified through USSD short code or scanning the QR. In the process of verification, also the consumers can also answer brief survey questions and win a reward for doing that every time. Now, on the flip side, the brand gets to see insight about what consumers are saying about the product or think about the product, which has helped them increase their revenue margin over the years since we've been serving them. We're doing this in a bid to support the SDG Goal 3, which is to foster good health and well-being among consumers. Now, if you look at it, brands in the FMCG space spend between $20 to $100 per data point. When we check it, it only costs them between below 5 cents to get access to data points about consumers. Now, this makes us extremely unique in the market, which is why we charge an annual license of about $12,000 and also about 4 cents per sticker label for every product that we protect in the market. Also, we made about $100,000 last year in revenue, and this year we're targeting $500,000 in revenue. We've grown over 2,000% since we started the business, worked with major brands in the FMCG space and also the pharmaceutical space. We've seen major partners as well that we've worked with. Majority of our partners are in the FMCG space. We've seen over 10 million of our labels in the market and arrived at over 200,000 consumer authentications. We're looking to grow that over the next 1 year to about 100 million labels in the market. We've been in several accelerator programs, which includes the Google for Startup Accelerator program, which we're currently in. Now, in the FMCG space and pharmaceutical space in Africa, there are over 18,000 brands and distributors within the space, putting the market value at over $8 billion. We are targeting to reach 60% over the next 5 to 10 years. Also, we're looking to protect over 10 million lives by the end of 2022. We have seen not just anti-counterfeiting in the challenges in the market, but also supply chain challenges. This is why we've also introduced a tracking solution into the market, where we actually help to track supply chain products for brands. Also, we are introducing a new auto ML solution, which will enable brand consumers to verify the authenticity of products just by taking photographs. We're doing right now a pilot with Liquefied Merck in Nigeria. Now, what also makes us stand out in the market is the unique intelligence that we provide about consumers, about consumer data, and also the fact that our solution are primarily API-based, making it easy to integrate with existing infrastructures in the market. Now, the awesome team bringing this together includes myself, Tosin, Samuel, and Abdul. And together, we are changing the world one step at a time by making it possible for consumers to protect themselves from consuming counterfeit products and reduce deaths that happen due to counterfeit products by 70% over the next 5 to 10 years. Join us on this amazing journey. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening. Now to answer your questions. The first question is, how do labels get on products? Now we put the labels on products by using handheld semi-automated labeling devices. How that works is that we provide the labels in a roll form. So basically the labels are in rolls, and then we give the brands a handheld labeling machine, which is like a hand gun, and they use that to stick labels on product. With each hand gun, the brands can do close to about 50,000 labels per day stick on products. Also, for brands that want to do hundreds of millions or tens of millions of labels, we can also integrate into their production line and provide an extension, a mini extension on the production line, which the stickering can be done through for brands that require such sophistications. Second question is, of FMCG brands and pharmaceutical brands, which of them is our major revenue cash cow? We've seen 70% of revenue coming from the FMCG space. And the FMCG space, typically, they don't use the sticker labels. What we do is we print directly on their products package. So we provide a QR and a USSD code, and then they print it directly on a production pack on their product package, and then the consumers can engage directly through that means. And oftentimes, the FMCG uses our solution for running promotions and activations. While the pharmaceutical brands use the sticker labels primarily for anti-counterfeiting purposes. How many brands have we worked with? We've worked with close to about 10 brands now, both in the Nigerian market and also in the Afghanistan market. Have we broken even? Yes, we had broken even since we launched, but we just also secured a new funding round. Now, our acts, yes, we didn't make any specific acts during the pitch. This is because we just secured a $500,000 pre-seed round, which we're planning to use to grow the business over the next 12 to 18 months. Typically, we are also looking at being able to engage with more investors, more partners from this pitch event, so we can work with more people and also have them in a pipeline for future raise. We are currently looking to bring in about 100 million sticker labels into the Nigerian market, and we're also looking to raise a bridge round for that. However, we're very open to discussions and introductions to new clients in the Nigerian market and also other parts of Africa and the Middle East. With our infrastructure technology today, especially on the telco side, we can easily expand to about 20 markets in Africa